Doily Designs Lucky Charm crochet pattern. You need an E-hook, and Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton, and forest green. Make a magic ring. Chain 4. Half double crochet in your magic ring. Chain 4. Slip stitch in your magic ring. Repeat that. Chain 4. Half double crochet. Chain 4. Slip stitch. You can repeat that one time or 2 more times. 4 chain, half double crochet, chain 4. I'm going to do it one more time. Half double crochet, chain 4, and slip stitch. Now chain 5, and slip stitch in 4 in the second chain, in each remaining chain. And 4. Now slip stitch back in your magic ring, untwist your tail, pull it a little bit, make sure your leaves are not twisted inside your magic ring, and slip stitch back in your first space. Fasten off, and then pull your magic ring tail firmly but gently, wiggling it around until you get it completely closed. Sometimes you can feel a pop in there, and no, but not too tight that you break it. And weave your ends, and you have a cute little shamrock. Thanks for checking it out. Go to www.doilydesigns.com to see more by Doily Designs. Thank you.